Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to open a PayPal account in the United Kingdom in just 5 minutes. Super simple, super fast, let's jump right into it. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a PayPal account in the United Kingdom in just 5 minutes. Opening a PayPal account is a simple and straightforward process. PayPal is a widely accepted online payment platform that allows you to send and receive money securely. Now let's dive into the step-by-step process of getting your account up and running. To start, head over to paypal.com/home. This is the UK-specific PayPal webpage where you'll find all the services and sign-up options. It's tailored specifically for UK users. Once you're there, look for the Sign Up button. It's usually right on the homepage and easy to spot. Give it a click to begin the registration process. Next, you'll be presented with a choice between opening a personal or business account. For most individual users, the personal account will be perfect. It covers everything you need, such as shopping online, sending money to friends and family, and more. So go ahead and select Personal Account, then click Get Started to continue. From here, you'll need to fill out your basic contact information. This includes your name, your email address, and you'll also need to create a password. Make sure you choose a strong password. Use uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. You want your account to be safe and secure, right? As you continue the registration, make sure you choose United Kingdom as your country. This is super important because it affects how your account is configured as well as local settings and regulations. After selecting your country, you'll be prompted to enter more detailed information. This includes your full name, your address, and your phone number. Make sure everything is accurate because PayPal may require identity verification later. Now you'll have the option to add a funding source like a bank account, debit card, or credit card. You can skip this step for now, but linking a funding source is recommended for smooth transfers in and out of your PayPal account. In some cases, PayPal may require you to verify your account. Verification can be done by linking your bank account or providing additional documents that confirm your identity and address. Don't worry, this is a normal part of keeping your account secure. Finally, before your account becomes official, take a moment to review PayPal's terms and conditions. It's always good to know your rights and responsibilities while using their services. Once you're ready, click Agree and Create Account to finish the setup. And there you have it. You've successfully created a PayPal account in the United Kingdom. From here, you can start paying for goods and services, sending money to friends and family, and enjoying all the conveniences that PayPal offers. Outro. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more easy guides. Happy transacting, and see you in the next video.